Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. Today we're going to be checking out some of Reolink's security camera setups, because not only do you want to have some nice equipment, we want to be able to protect it and keep it safe. I'm actually using Reolink equipment right now, and I found this new setup right here. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my links in the comments or the description. Get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. The 12 megapixel UHD PoE security system with AI video search is really nice to have. You can attach quite a few different cameras. I'm going to go through all the details. You get unparalleled clarity in 12 megapixels day and night. You can actually get color night vision, which is really great, or if you're more used to the traditional black and white vision, you can get that as well. The camera system boasts a remarkable 12 megapixel resolution, capturing even the smallest details with AI ISP technology, delivers clearer and brighter images in low light settings, offering both vivid color and black and white night vision for your peace of mind round the clock. AI video search is super convenient. Make the video filtering quicker and easier than ever with local AI. Just type in descriptive keyword, doesn't have to be connected to the internet, and you'll get all the relevant clips at your fingertips within seconds. Say goodbye to endless scrolling or monthly fees and enjoy the whole new level of security efficiency all in this unit. Smart detection and parameter protection. Upgraded with advanced AI-driven detection technologies, this camera system detects not only people, vehicles, and animals, but also more specific events like line crossing, zone intrusion, zone loitering. With more precise alerts, stay steps ahead of potential threats. This is NVR-centered security system, seamless control and storage in one unit. It's really convenient not to have a bunch of different units you have to control and connect and have different points of failure. This comprehensive protection is backed by NVR-centered systems from Reolink. Efficiently manage all your cameras from a single interface, adapting to various installation scenarios. Talk in real time, deter in dual methods. Listen and talk with anyone at home with two-way audio so you can stay connected anytime from anywhere. With motion-activated spotlights and sirens, this system warns off potential intruders in two powerful ways, keeping the threats away from your home. Stay strong anywhere, indoors and outdoors. With IP67 weatherproof housing, these durable cameras withstand thunderstorms, extreme heat, freezing cold, and all harsh conditions. You can rely on it year-round for protection. Record 24/7 without missing a beat. PoE surveillance system supports 24/7 local recording even without network access. This can be a closed-circuit system with pre-installed 2 TB hard drive and expandable storage up to 16 TB. Capture and save every moment across multiple cameras with no space concerns. Anti-theft data protection with advanced anti-theft algorithms. This Reolink system guarantees unbreakable data encryption. Password protection ensures that only you can access the footage even if the cameras are stolen. Gain deeper insights on foot traffic with heat map via your NVR. By color mapping different zones, it visualizes where people gather and move, so you know how to improve store layout, boost customer flow, and optimize promotions. This is really great if you got a business. And this is really hassle-free PoE setup. Everybody knows it's plug and play basically. Experience the convenience of plug and play installation with our PoE power over Ethernet system. No need for separate power cables for each camera. The power and the video connection goes through the same cable. And it looks like your traditional Ethernet cable, something that you're probably already familiar with. So right now is a really good time to pick this up. Got a discount going on right now, and you can use the links in the comments or the description to get a good deal, and this helps support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel completely for free by clicking the subscribe button, but make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.